out here. Oh my goodness. Yo, what's going on, bruv? So we're out here right now at Ebisu circuit, cuz it is a Matsuri. Bruv, it is so dead, because this weekend, JIDC is on, D1 is on, there's an event at Sportsland Yamanashi, the actual Obone Week holiday is next weekend. So it's so dead, there are not a lot of drivers here at all, bruv, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy, crazy. So yeah, bruv, there's my car there. I'm trying to go quickly test some things on school course, change a couple things here and there, go test them, make sure they're okay, and then we'll come back and sort out the tyres, I'll put some fresh tyres on and all that stuff, and then we'll go out and drive, bruv. Jeez. Yes, bruv, so that check was good. It was done. Went to school course, threw down a couple things, it was nice. Then after that, I went up to North course, threw down some more runs, trying the high-speed Andy and Neon runs, and it was great. Behind me, but yeah, I just bought some fresh tires. Let me show you. Bang, fresh tires just there, you know what I'm saying? All nice and fresh. They're all good. Got 17s on. Just putting a fresh battery inside my camera as well. And yeah, bruv, it's all good, all nice. So we've got about 15 minutes left until Nishi short finishes. So currently, I have a handbrake that doesn't quite work. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be leading, but I'll be chasing because that's okay. So we're gonna go up to Nishi, see if I can chase some people and see what I got, bruv. Jeez. Yes, bruv. So we're out here on Nishi, fam, you get me? So we're about to roll out and see what I got, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if we can put it on someone's door, a Japanese guy. Who knows, bruv, you know what I'm saying? Who knows? And of course, here comes Sam to try and run me over. Bruv, I can't even hear. Alright, boom, fam. That was good, that was fast. I felt like my tires got a little bit too hot and I was a little slippery, like you saw when I tried to come on the track, I just flew off. But yeah, bruv, I chased that little blue S14. That was pretty fun. He's a Japanese guy. I'm feeling much more confident chasing people, especially with no handbrake. I can't lead, but I can definitely chase. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's good. Now, I don't know, these guys are talking about going to Toge, but like I said, I don't have a working handbrake. I don't know, we'll see, bro. Boom, so after Nishi train decided to come to school course, as you can see right here. So yeah, let's just jump out and see who we can chase or who can chase us, bro. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Aye, bruv, that was mega, you know. There's man like Kota the Yoda right there, bruv. You know what I'm saying? Bruv, that was wild, fam. That was wild. He was on me, and I don't go slow on this course, you know what I'm saying? So he was on me. It was good, because I got no handbrake. I'm having to throw the car like full 90 on the last hairpin. And I think on one of those runs, I got super close to the wall as well. It's mad. So obviously there's Lono FPV Richard. He's got the maddest shots. And there's Kota there. And yeah, bruv, it was good. It was good. I keep losing Sylvia's when I'm behind him. I need to just get right up to their door and do it. Yeah, bruv, it was good. It was real good driving. We may go for some more, we may not. I don't know, I'll update you lot. I'm just having fun with this very quiet Matsuri, you know what I'm saying? Cheese. All right, these boys be out here doing the barbecue and that, bruv. Making some mac and cheese. Cheese. What are you saying, bruv?
It's mad.
It is mad. Making some mac and cheese over there. There's Sam making his little live stream thing. Yeah, bruv, it's good. Loads more food here. And yeah, there's only one car out on our north course at the minute, and it's not north course, school course. It's not me. It's a nice C35 Laurel, aka the Nissan Chaser. But yeah, bruv, it's good. Dennis is over here working on his car. Yeah, broke a ball joint. Yeah, bruv. 2 ball joints. Oi! Oi! Stop it. Yeah, bruv. It's nice. It's nice. So your boys are gonna chill for a bit. You know what I'm saying? Might do some night drifting, might not. I don't know. I'll let you know in the next scene. You get me? Cheers. Boom. As you look and see, it's nighttime, and I'm on school course at the minute. Just over there. So I'm gonna take out my last passenger of the day. Man, like hate the culture on Instagram. And then after that, I'm gonna go home. I got some extra barbecue food that was given to me. So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna just yam that up like it's nothing, you get me? But yeah, bruv, let's transition over to the GoPro now and let's go. Alright, so unfortunately you saw that we just threw a belt. Yeah, so the car got through a belt, and then on the drive back up to PV it kind of overheated a little bit, but I wasn't going hard, so it was fine. So I'm just going to leave it, let it cool down. May not drive it tomorrow, I don't know. And yeah, bruv, we'll see what I go on. Alright, so it's the morning after what happened. Let's quickly talk about what happened to my car, bruv. That's what happened to my car. My crank pulley fell off. Can you imagine, cuz? Can you imagine, fam? Oh my goodness. It fell off, I lost power to everything. And then, yeah, when I was driving the car back up, it overheated. And yeah, let me show you. So yeah, drove the car back up. As you can see on the ground, that's all of the coolant. There's the belt just there. And yeah, it spilled loads of coolant everywhere, overheated. I don't have the keys for it right now, unfortunately. But yeah, spilled all of that. And yeah, cuz, can you imagine, fam? What a wild time at Matsuri, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, this is the second car it's happened to. It happened to my old JZX in New Zealand as well. It just came straight off, bruv. Can you imagine? Crazy. But yeah, cuz, your boy will get that sorted, or I will very kindly ask PV to get it sorted and to do a once over on my car, because yeah, that overheating issue is how I lost my last engine. But hopefully this time it's not the same sort of thing. And yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, do all that jazz, you know what I'm saying? It was still good driving. I enjoyed it, getting close to people and chasing people and just feeling like one of the locals that just waits, watches people and then goes out there and tries to chase them. It was fun. So yeah, like button, subscribe, do all that jazz, and your boy will catch you next time. Jeez. Oh my goodness, fam.